Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. On November 2025, Microsoft rolled out KB5048239 Windows Recovery Environment Update for Windows 10 version 21H2 and 22H2. You can find everything about this update on official documentation here. Starting from January 12, 2025, Microsoft keep pushing this update again on Windows 10 devices. Now what annoying about this update according to various reports from users is that the same update keeps reappearing in the Windows update. When users try to download it, it starts downloading and shows 0% installing and then reverts to your up-to-date screen. Even the update appears as installed in update history as well. But few minutes or hours later, the same update again appears in the Windows update. And just like that, users are stuck in update loop. On the other hand, there is a group of users who are reporting that when they're trying to install the same update, it starts downloading and fails with error code 0x80070643. No matter how many times they try to install the update, it still fails with same message. Due to this Windows update loop, CPU usage of PCs increases to 100% in some cases and as a result affect the performance of the PC. Earlier in the documentation, Microsoft had noted some requirement for installing this update, especially minimum of 250 MB space in recovery partition. But users reported that they have even more space than what they asked for, still they are unable to install the update. In my opinion, it seems like a bug which already annoyed lots of Windows 10 users, and if you landed on this video, then it's possible that you are also facing the same. Talking about the fix, users reported that after installing Windows 10 KB5049981 update, which is released on January 14, 2025, Windows update loop issue resolved for them. So you should check for the same update in Windows update or download it manually. You will find more information about this here. On the other hand, if this fails to fix the issue for you, then I suggest you to pause the update for a week or month until this bug is fixed by the company. You can do this by following instructions covered here. So that's all for this video. Why don't you try suggestions covered in this video and let me know if it make any difference. Also, if you want to share or ask anything related to this issue, then feel free to ask in the comments. And if you are aware of any solution that helps in fixing the issue, then feel free to share in the comments. Whenever I get more update on this issue, I will keep you in the loop. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notification about this issue or related content. Thanks for watching.